Guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your Mazda 3. So open up your driver's side door, and here under the dash, you'll see this little lever here. Pull that little black lever. That will pop the hood, and you can come around here, and there's a secondary latch. You won't be able to just open the hood. You have to push that secondary latch over, and then lift the hood up. Okay, once you have the hood up, you'll grab your hood prop rod, and that'll go up and into there where that arrow's at right there, and that holds the hood up. That's the secondary latch right there. And then you have your battery right here. The plus sign is your positive with the red plastic, and then your negative is the black wire with the negative sign there. And you can also use the negative connection over here from that wire on the top of the strut tower there. You can jump start it with another vehicle and jumper cables, or you can use a jump box like this one. This is the Noco Boost GB150. We'll go ahead and hook this one up to the negative right there, get a good bite on it, and then the positive right here, get a good bite. And you see it has 8 volts, it needs 12. Turn the box on, it should jump up to like 11 something. There we go, and now we can start the vehicle. Okay, customer is going to try to start that, and there we go. So now we're going to test the alternator and make sure it's charging at 13 to 14 volts, 13.5 to 14 volts, which it is. So that means the charging system is good. It just needs a new battery, unless you left something on. If it was human error and you left the lights on or something, then just let the vehicle run for about 15-20 minutes and it should charge the battery back up. But if you didn't leave anything on and it died on its own, then it's time for a new battery. Especially if you have corrosion on any of your terminals. These are clean. There's no white or blue or green corrosion around there, so those are good. But if you ever see corrosion, you know the battery's bad for sure. And then you just lift up your hood, move your little prop rod, set it back down into there, and drop the hood, and you're good to go. Well, there you go. That's how to jump start your vehicle. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a comment down below. Let me know. Like, share, tag, follow, all that good stuff, and you'll see me on the next one. Bye.